So I have all these t-shirt backs that I have left over from a t-shirt quilt that I made years ago. And, I don't want this fabric to go to waste, so I've been thinking of, little accessories or little projects I could do with t-shirt material, and I'm going to make a t-shirt scrunchie with some of these. And so all I need are two sides to this, and elastic. So I think this is 3/8 elastic. I could use a quarter, but I don't have a quarter. So I just need some elastic and these t-shirts, and I can make my scrunchie. Okay, I decided to go with these two t-shirt backs because these are blank. They don't have anything on them, and they're like the same width. They're yellow and red, or gold, if you will. And so I'm just going to cut off the bottom hem to make both of them even. There you go. And then I want to make kind of a big one. So I'm just going to leave it like this. This is about 6.5 inches. So I will cut it at 6.5. Perfect. We'll save this for another day. So we have these two together. I'm going to stitch up the sides of these. And then for the elastic, I'm going to cut about 10 inches. This much. And then to make the loop, I'll just put it together and do a little loop. Okay, now for the next step. So now we're just sewing up the sides of these t-shirts. Straight stitch, no, nothing special. Now for this side, I'm going to leave an opening on one side. In the middle of the stitching. Just a little hole here. Okay. A little bigger. Okay, so I have the two sides adjoining with a little hole in the middle here on one side. Now here is the fun part. So we open up the material, line it up like this, and then we're going to fold one side in half twice, put that in the middle, and then we're going to put this together. But before we close that, we're going to put the little loop in here. Put a loop in here, right? So it's like this, kind of like a burrito, I guess. Then we're going to sew the edges together, making sure to keep the loop out of the way. So let's see how this goes. Just moving, putting the fabric together as you go. And also while you're sewing, pulling material out this way. Let's see. I think it's working. Okay, pull through. Yeah. Anyway, this is a mess, but let me look. Okay, so this is the opening here. Let's see what happens when I pull it out. There you go. Oh, I think it's cute. I think it worked. I love the bi-color one. Nice. I just have to sew that together. Do that. So there you go. I recommend doing a color that matches just so it'll blend better, but nice. All right, I'm gonna make another hair accessory, a headband in the style of like a turban. And I'm gonna use the same amount of fabric as I did for the scrunchie and cut the same t-shirt. This t-shirt, or both of these t-shirts, are about almost 20 inches, 19 to 20 inches long, and that should be enough for my head. But if you have a bigger head, you might need a longer strip of material. We will see. So I'm just going to line the bottom of this ruler, which is 6.5 inches, at the edge of the t-shirts, and go over with my terrible rotary cutter. Now with this one, I'm going to fold them in half and sew them both down and make a long tube. I think I'm going to use my serger for this one just to make sure it has a stretch in the seam. And these are pretty stretchy, so it should make a good headband. So I'm just going to serger along both edges and come back. Okay, the two tubes have been sewn together. Now I just need to turn them inside out. Okay. Got this one with the seam side up. I'm going to take the red one and put it with the seam down. Make the cross. And then I'm going to put these two ends together with the seam sides touching. And then same thing with this side. Seam side should touch here. And so you have your twist. Oh, so cute. And then you just simply, or I'm going to put these two sides together like so. And the plan is to sew across here. Okay. One big seam connecting all 4 pieces. Alrighty, just sewed across the edges like that. Now to clean up the edge. Alright, got my big scissors. Try to cut as cleanly as I can. Alright, and then it should turn inside out, and voila. Et voila. Nice, cute little turban style headband in 2 different colors. Quick and easy.